Hi guys, this is GSMDome and I'm here with a freshly unveiled Huawei FreeClip. They're a pair of headphones shaped like the letter C. So you're going to be putting this towards the inner part of the ear and this towards the outer part of the ear. This is the acoustics part, this is the battery part. Now, as far as the specs are concerned, it's an IP54 certified pair of headphones available in purple here, but there's also another version available in black or dark gray. This is more masculine a bit. Okay, so first things first, we're talking about the measurements. One of these headphones measures about 5.6 grams. The case weighs 45.5 grams and they support SBC, AAC and L2HC. They have a 55 mAh battery here, the headphones, and a 510 mAh, that's the case. They're offering 8 hours of audio playback per headphone and a total of 36 hours for the whole thing. You should charge them in about 40 minutes, that's what you're getting. The design reminds me of the FreeBuds Pro 3 on account of its oblique cut, the fact that it has a single LED, and the overall approach, once again, similar to the FreeBuds Pro 3. They also have a LED here, a singular one. There's also tactile input, not very sure where. I'm expecting the outer part here and here. So once again, this goes in the ear and this goes outside the ear, and you're going to be fitting this ring around your ear membrane, so to say. They've done 10,000 human ear tests, 25,000 resilience tests, so they should be pretty rough and shouldn't drop from your ear when you're doing jogging. Now, at the same time, we have seamless control and a few other specs which I should probably mention. The C-bridge design has been tested a lot. It's supposed to be elegant and resilient. We have 10+ mm drivers here powering the sound, and more of the features include a triple tap and double tap for control. Once again, up to 36 hours, and a 10-minute charge should be able to sustain up to 3 hours of listening, which is no small feat. They're pretty glossy, so they may get dirty fast, and one proposal I have for Huawei is making this mechanism a bit more rigid. So maybe a magnet here to keep them together, or maybe making this more rigid, because in time it can get a bit weaker. That's my impression about the brand new Huawei FreeClip. We'll be back with more details soon. Goodbye.